Hello everyone, this is Amrita from Informatica GCS. Today we are going to talk about SFTP Client Tool. The agenda for this video would be we'll see what is SFTP Client Tool and how to use it. So this SFTP Client is a lightweight Java-based tool. It is designed by GCS team to make the troubleshooting easier for the SFTP connectivity issues. So if you use any job that is relying on SFTP connections in on-prem or cloud MFT, you can use this tool if you are facing any connectivity issues regarding SFTP, and it will actually this tool mimics the functionality being used in our products, so it will help you to replicate the same flow while you're testing real-time operations. With this tool, you can test the connectivity using client libraries like SSHG, Maverick, and JSCH. These are the client libraries which you can use to connect with the SFTP server. Along with that, it will allow you to verify authentication mechanisms like password authentication and key-based authentication. And another advantage is it will provide you detailed logging for each of the client libraries. So you can see any client related issues, I mean library related issues in the log files. Coming to how to use this tool, you can see this jar file and this sftp.props file attached. So you can download these files. This sftp.props file will be having all the details related to your SFTP server. When the host name, port number, username, password, all the authentication details. You can edit this file according to your SFTP server, and then you need to provide the client name in the command. When you run this command, you need to give whether you're using SSHG or JSCH or Maverick for this FTP connection. Once you run this command, the logs file will be generated in the current working directory under the logs folder. One would be this FTP client.log and the other one will be specific to the client which you have used while running this command. Make sure you are having the right permissions on the current working directory. Once you run this command, you can see this FTP client exiting entry. This will tell you that the run is successful. I'll show you now how to run this. I have this props file in the jar file in this tool directory. Here you need to edit this ftp.props file. So this props file will be having all details for your FTP server connection. You need to give host name, port number, and the type of auth. So there are two auth types that are supported right now. One is public key and the other is password. When you give public key, you need to provide the username and the private key path, the complete path along with the file name. And this passphrase is optional. If you are using this passphrase to decrypt a private key, you need to provide a passphrase as well. In case of password auth mode, you just need to give a username and password. That would be enough. Once you edit this file, you can open the command prompt. So you run this command. You provide the jar file and the SFTP props and the type of client you use to you want to use for the SFTP connection. I'm giving SSHG. Once you run this command, you see this SFTP client has started, and if there are any issues, it will show you all the errors. You can see that there are no issues and it has given the message SFTP exiting. Once this is done, you can see the logs folder getting generated in the same directory. Inside the logs folder, you will be having the SFTP client.log file and the other specific client related logs. So this, as you have given SSHG, you can see this SSHG.log is having few entries. We'll open this log. In this SSH log, you can see that what are the available ciphers and the negotiated algorithms between server and client, and the public authentication. All the details you can see here. It says that the auth is successful. So if there are any issues with respect to the key exchange algorithms or any issues related to the authentication, you can see all of them in this particular log. And the SFTP client.log will also be having the info related to connectivity issues. This is it. With that, we wrap up this video. If you found this video helpful, please do share your feedback. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.